National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Dodge County in southeast Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 9 o'clock p.m. At 8:09 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and extreme damaging hurricane-force winds in excess of 100 miles per hour. This storm was located near Edgerton and moving east at 90 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Jefferson, Watertown, Whitewater, Delavan Lake, Elkhorn, Okaukie Lake, Williams Bay, Delafield, Wales, Heartland, East Troy, Lake Geneva, Mukwonago, Pewaukee, Sussex, downtown Waukesha, Twin Lakes, Brookfield, New Berlin, and Wind Lake. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds and large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information.